Changing the phone number on your Uber account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings or your account to access your profile details. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Phone Number. Tap on it to view your current phone number and the option to edit it. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, Uber will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to confirm the change and complete the process. Once you've followed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Uber account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.